Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Nyle Lynn with a new beauty product for you. This is an all-natural one that helps you with beauty from the inside out. Now I have absolutely no makeup on. Oh, no, wait. I still have mascara on and a little eyeliner, but I don't have any. I wiped off all, like any foundation or any lipstick, just so that you guys could see my skin without anything on it. Because, you know, with contouring, we can change the shape of the face. So this is the shape of my face. And I would like to maintain, if not reverse. I'm not 19 anymore. So this is what's going on. I do not have any fillers in, or any Botox, or any lip injections, or whatever people do. I have not had a facelift. But if I go like this, I could look like I had one. And if I go like this, I look like a toad with like 10 chins. So I am trying to make sure that I age as gracefully as possible. Although I have to say, as much as I want silver hair one day, I do not want a sagging jawline. And I can already see where like my jawline used to be like, you know, and that it's like a little bit bloop, bloop, bloop. And so I just want to do as much to maintain as possible, if not lift it, lifting. and this stuff supposedly is the fountain of youth. Dermal Repair Complex. It is supposed to be an all-natural supplement. I mean, it is definitely an all-natural supplement. And it addresses the root causes of aging, such as lack of collagen, elasticity breakdown, and hormonal changes. With all natural ingredients, it increases the skin's firmness, smoothness, and provides a youthful glow from the inside out. That's what it says when you look it up on the internet. Now, I did do all the research. I don't just randomly buy stuff. And it really does seem like they've done a really great job. And this is one from one of Beverly Hills' top plastic surgeons. And so I was looking for natural stuff and came across his website. I'll link it below. And I thought, well, if anybody knows about how to make the face better, it's a plastic surgeon. And if this stuff is really great, it would be like preventative. You know, like you wouldn't have to get plastic surgery. No offense if you've got plastic surgery. I don't know if I could ever do that. Like, I would be terrified. So that's one of the reasons why I'm looking for as many natural things as possible, because I get scared of like knives and needles and stuff like that when it comes to my face. Not like giving blood at the hospital, but so let's see if it works. Okay, this is my before. I'm gonna do 3 months, and they studied people that are super agers to figure out this formula. So I'm gonna be a super ager too. Okay, thanks for tuning in. This is Nyle Lynn. Have a beautiful day.